Today we are talking all about the brand new Color Surge ShadowSense collection. Now these are 4 super bright neon eyeshadows. They're totally waterproof and gorgeous for summer. I'm going to be showing you guys swatches of these today, and stay tuned on Instagram for a tutorial using one of these shades. But I need you guys to vote in the comments and let me know which one you want to see me create a look with first. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and tap that bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you liking what you seeing. When you hit the bell, you get my notifications so you know when I post new makeup tutorials, product reviews, and all that jazz. Neon shades I think are a little intimidating to some people, but the important thing to remember is that these are all blendable and mixable, so you can really integrate bright shades into any eye look just to add like a pop of color. It doesn't have to be crazy and scary. I'm excited about these. I love bright things. I love bright colors. You guys know I love bright, bold, fun lip colors. Not so much a fan of oranges. Y'all know this, but I love a bold statement lip, so therefore I love a bold statement eye. Now this collection comes with this neon bag. This is a first of its kind. We've never had a vinyl bag like this. It's got the logo on the inside, a little zipper, super cute, great for keeping your lipstick with you by the pool. These are just like so fun. Like, don't they just make you want to smile when you look at them? Like, I am pumped because we haven't had any super bold colors like this in a while. Now I do think we've had several oranges lately, so I'm not as excited about the orange. I mean, the coral looks pretty, but it's still, I mean, we've had several corals, but this green and this purple pink, you guys, gorgeous, right up my alley. I want to hear what life is like where you guys are. Right now in Texas, pretty much everything is back to normal. A lot of stuff is operating at lower capacity, but generally things are back to normal. Matt still isn't working because events are not working, and he did part-time sales at events, so that was a big shock and a big difference in our day-to-day life, but we're super lucky to have really dove into TikTok lately and made that kind of our full-time gig. It's been off and on full-time for a couple years, but now we really had no choice but to make it full-time, which has been good and made us dive in head first and just rip off the band-aid. We didn't really have time to be scared. It just kind of like happened. Okay, let me know in the comments which one you're the most excited for, and we're gonna get started on my review of the neon, what is this called? Keep watching to see my first impression of the Color Surge ShadowSense collection. So like I said, it comes with the bag, and there's 4 shades in the actual collection. Of course, you can always purchase any of these individually. If this isn't your first rodeo with me, you guys know I always offer free shipping to my customers as a thank you for trusting me with your face. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do something a little bit new. I have these stickers that are like swatch stickers. So I'm gonna like put it on my arm and film it, and then talk about the colors as I'm doing it. And I'm gonna put like a secondary view up here so you guys can see what I'm doing while I'm doing it. This is a new style video, so let me know if you guys like this. I didn't want to do an eyeshadow look today because frankly I have other stuff to do and I don't want a brightly colored shadow. I really wanted a neutral look today, so it's just how it's gonna be. But if you guys want to see swatches of these compared with every other shadow, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I have these really nice swatches I did, but I'm gonna have them on my Instagram for you guys to use or to look at for choosing what shadows you want next. Okay, let me get my little camera set up here. You guys are gonna get to see how truly dirty, not even dirty, just like makeup stained my desk is. Like there's makeup everywhere, you guys. Like and a lot of it, like I wash it and it doesn't come off, so it's kind of irritating. Okay guys, I lied. As I was setting this up, I actually ended up putting this little, I don't even know what to call this. It's basically a fabric swatch, a faux fur fabric swatch that I got for taking flat lays. So I put this down just to make it look prettier, because you know we all wanted things to look pretty. So I've already cleaned my skin and dried it off, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this swatch sticker. I will put the link to these in the description. If I can get this off. The struggle is real. I kind of like this like filming on 2 different cameras at once. Okay, we want the lightning bolts to go this way, I think, right? So there's 4 lightning bolts for 4 colors. Let's put these down gently. So far so good. Okay, what color should we do first? I kind of want to do the vibrant. Like this is my favorite one. This one's called Plasma Pink Shimmer. Out of all of these, I know this one's gonna be my favorite. So let's just start with this one because it's really pretty. This looks to be a metallic formula. Look how creamy the formula is. It's super creamy. Ooh, oh my goodness. Y'all, this formula is so pigmented. Ooh, I cannot wait to play with this. This reminds me of Pink Hibiscus mixed with Tropical Orchid Glitter from back in the day. I think those came out in 2016, but this formula is so much thicker. Like, it's so much better because there's more pigment. You don't have to put as much product on. Okay, next let's do Fiery Coral Shimmer. This one looks to be a metallic, like orange shade. I guess coral, technically. You know, my favorite. I actually don't mind coral shades as eyeshadow. I really dislike them as lipstick. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this reminds me of Lava Shimmer from back in the day. It came out in that same tropical collection with Tropical Orchid Glitter and Pink Hibiscus Shimmer and Jade Glitter. So this is actually kind of a remastered version of that collection, you guys. Like, I'm a little bit shook. Let me show you guys. Super pretty. The lighting is better when I have it down like this. Okay, next let's do, we'll go ahead and do Amped Up Orange. This one is a matte shade. This reminds me of like creamsicle. I don't know why. I feel like it should be called creamsicle. Okay, last but not least, we have Neon Green Shimmer. I like that it's just like straightforward. It just tells it like it is. It is Neon Green Shimmer, and ooh, it is neon green, girl. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is bright, bright, bright. Now, I guess my like biggest concern with this collection is I don't know how my market or like my customer base will respond to this, because back in the day, I hardly sold any of the tropical collections that had really similar shades to this. But I think now bold colors are more trendy in makeup and people feel a little bit more confident in playing with their makeup looks. So I'm wondering if this collection will be a little bit more well received now. Just being honest with you, I think I always get a little bit worried for my business when something comes out that is really, really bold, because typically my customers are, you know, working corporate jobs, or they're performers, or they're stay-at-home moms, and they're not wanting crazy makeup looks. Me, I want the crazy makeup all day long, but I know that not every client identifies with my style and what I like to wear and do. But I do think, like I said, I'm gonna be able to create some really pretty versatile looks with these. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I've already said that, but I'm gonna be doing them on there. For some reason, people don't like when I do tutorials on here as much, so they tend to perform better on my Instagram. So I'm gonna keep posting them there. I'm sure I'll have some stuff on here at some point, but IG is gonna be the main place that content will be. Okay, I think this has had enough time to dry. Let's go ahead and peel off the sticker. Ooh, it's getting all my baby hairs. Oh my goodness. Oh, it looks so cool. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is, you guys. Okay, so we got all 4 shades up in here. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Plasma Pink Shimmer is probably my favorite still out of all of them. And remember, you guys, that these are all waterproof as long as they're dry. I feel like these might not be totally dry. Yeah, that one's not dry. It matches the bag. So cute. See, this is why I can't do swatches like this, because it's like literally impossible. I'd have to turn around this way and like show you the swatches. So I hope you guys don't mind this kind of altered format. I like to be able to show all the colors in the collection at the same time, which I'm not able to do an eye look with. If you guys would rather me do individual eye swatches and not a look, let me know. I feel like with these eyeshadows though, it's pretty easy to tell on the skin. So I need your feedback. Like I said in the beginning, let me know in the comments below which shade you want to see me do a look with first. I'm leaning towards Pink Plasma Shimmer because it's like my favorite. Like I said, if you guys want to snag any of these shades, they are limited edition. You guys can shop my website. You guys can shop my website down below with free shipping, or you can always text order to my customer service number down in the description. Anyone who purchases this full collection will get a eyeshadow double-ended shading and blending brush from me as a thank you for placing an order with me. All right, guys, our viewer of the week is Hey girl, hey! Thanks for being one of my amazing viewers. Remember to be viewer of the week. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave me a comment below so I know you watched. As always, you guys can click my face to the right. As always, you can click my face down below to subscribe to my channel and click one of the videos to your right to continue watching my content. I post makeup tutorials and honest product reviews twice a week here, so you don't want to miss out. Alright, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scout!